Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Velocity in Barcelona. I'm here with Stijn Hanssens. Stan, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, you're with CoScale.
Yeah.
And what do you guys do?
Well, CoScale is a spin-out of the university in Ghent, a very young company, only a year and a half old.
Okay.
And we're active in IT operations analytics. We help companies improve the performance of their website and make better use of their server infrastructure by giving them insights that other tools cannot deliver.
So through analytics.
Yeah, we do
So
analytics.
you're kind of combining data and DevOps.
Yeah, well, our interpretation of IT operations analytics is take data sources from as many places as possible in your organization. That's server metrics like CPU, disk usage. That's application metrics like traffic rates, performance metrics, structure of your website, but even business metrics like revenue per minute or whatever. You can put in any metric if you want in your universal API. Then do some smart statistical and mathematical wizardry with it and present it in a way that's useful for as many users as possible in your organization.
So you said I could put my metrics in my API, so you guys have an interface that lets me put in whatever I want to measure?
Yeah, it does. It does.
Customizable?
That's customizable. We have a universal API, so it's well documented and you can include anything you want.
Excellent. Yeah. So have the people here understood what you're doing very well, or is it a good audience for you?
Oh, it's the perfect audience. You know, it's DevOps. You know, everything that has to do with web performance is our sweet spot. So yeah, it's the perfect audience. In fact, it's the second time we attend this the Velocity conference. We did one in New York as well.
Okay.
Well, a year ago, and now this one. So it's a bit smaller, but it gives you more time to really talk to people.
Sorry, do you sense any difference in the audience or in what the conversations are from those two events?
I think a lot of people are trying to find the needle in the haystack. There's a lot of tools on the market. Everybody claims to do everything. Of course, it's the role of everyone on this conference to find their sweet spot and see what to think about it. But you really see a difference between tools aiming for the high-end market, really complex environments, complex companies like AppDynamics guys and those guys. And then you have the mid-market and the low-end market where there's a lot of players. Not everyone needs the Rolls Royce to improve the performance of their website, and that's where we are in.
Excellent. So if we had this conversation next year, which would be in Amsterdam,
yeah.
Where would you say CoScale is today and where it will be next year at this time?
Well, we have a big roadmap ahead of us. Well, we believe that the future of IT operations analytics is more emphasis on analytics, so that will make the difference. So we have breakdown analytics now, which allows you to break down any server metric into its components, like what is consuming my server infrastructure, and what is the impact of changes in my server infrastructure on performance. That's what we're good at now. We're working on the first version of our anomaly detection at this moment, which allows you to do a multivariate analysis of your problem. And by next year, we will be able to help the user much more into finding the needle in the haystack, and there will be, okay, you have an issue on performance on that page, you have an anomalous behavior of those and this server, on this database server, and by the way, you have a traffic spike on that page, and you can really get a total view of your problem, and that's what we're working on.
Excellent, Stan. We look forward to seeing you and hope that story develops. Thank you.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye.